Critter Trades here, and today we're going to take a look at the Pruveeo D90 4-channel, yes, 4-channel dash cam. And that's what's so cool about this thing. I was really surprised when I saw this. I haven't seen a 4-channel dash cam out there, or not very many of them at least. And this is really cool because the way that it works with the 4 channels. It's a normal 2-channel dash cam. It's got one facing the front. It also has a separate rear one that you'll wire out to the back. But then it has these 2 that are kind of on the sides here. And the really cool thing is that you can change where these point to. You can have 2 extra ones kind of on a peripheral view facing out towards the sides. You can have them facing directly to the sides. So you can almost see out your side windows. You can have them face back towards your cabin even. If you want to have a view of the cabin area to see you and passengers behind you. You can have them facing outwards on the side a little bit so you can kind of see your blind spots on both sides and record that area. So it does come with a 128 gigabyte SD card, which is awesome. The rear camera, it is waterproof, so you can mount it on the back. It does also come with another 12-volt connection, so you can use it as a backup camera if you'd like to do that, which is really nice to do. And again, you can go inside or outside the vehicle for the rear cam. The versatility of this camera is unlike any other really, and it does come with some really good things in the box too. I like that it comes with the option to use a suction cup mount or a solid mount, and what the solid mount does is it attaches directly to the windshield. The nice part about it is it's removable from the dash cam. So if for some reason you want to remove the dash cam but want to keep the mount on the windshield, you can do that. This pops off of the dash cam. It attaches and slides onto the back here. So you can attach it, and then you can quick release, remove the camera off your windshield if you don't want it out and about when you're not in the vehicle, if you don't want somebody to break in and steal it, for example. The other nice things that it comes with windshield savers. You put these on your windshield, they're a static cling, and then you attach this to the windshield, and the camera goes and attaches to this. And that way it's really easy to remove the camera when it's time to remove it. Otherwise, you get a lot of that gunky, sticky up on the windshield that's really difficult to remove. So this helps save your windshield and make it a lot easier to remove if you do choose to remove it in the future. It also comes with a nice trim removal tool for hiding the wires when you move them to the back. If you are looking to purchase this, check out a link in the description to purchase this. And if you have any questions about it, you can always ask in the comments below too. The best thing about this camera is its versatility. It's super awesome to be able to have the option to record different areas of your vehicle depending on what you want. If you want it on the side of the vehicle, the outside, the front, the back, it has you covered no matter what. So this is kind of like a 360-degree dash cam with how many channels that it has. The camera itself has physical buttons, which I like. It's nice and easy. They work really well. You don't have to worry about touch screens, which I don't think is as good. They're a lot harder to touch while you're driving down the road. If you want to hit the emergency record, for example, this one you can just feel. So it's got a really awesome combination of features that make this one a really awesome dash cam. And you can see on the screen here, it displays all 4 at once while you're going down the road. And then it's got a lot of settings in the menu to change different things. It has GPS built in. You can turn that on or off if you'd like to. It has a Wi-Fi Connect feature. You can go into the menu. It's really easy to scroll through these, change the gravity sensing, parking mode, for example, audio, exposure, lots of pretty standard features that you would see on most dash cams, which is good to see. And yeah, I'm just really impressed with this camera overall. Really awesome dash cam. It does also have a little bit of left and right movement, which most of these cameras don't have a left and a right adjustment for the main front camera. Typically they'll have an up and down. This one also has a left and a right adjustment, because once you put this on, if it's the full sticky pad, you can't adjust it left and right at all. So this way you can adjust up and down and left and right if you need to. This camera's got a ton of adjustments on it. Installation is super easy. You literally just plug this into your 12-volt outlet, pop it in here with a mini USB, attach your rear camera here, hide the wires, and the rear camera also does come with a sticky, so you can just stick it on instead of using screws to mount it. So it gives you the option for that. Pop your SD card in there, and it's pretty much good to go.